Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're visiting one of the most incredible natural places in the world, Antelope Canyon in Arizona. This place looks almost unreal, with its smooth flowing rock walls and those beautiful shapes carved by nature over time. Antelope Canyon was made by water and wind over many years. Water slowly moved through the rock and cut deeper and deeper into it. This is how these beautiful curves and wave-like walls were formed. We are now walking down to Antelope Canyon. The desert outside looks wide, dry, and open, but soon we will enter a very different place. Antelope Canyon is hidden between these sandstone rocks. From here, it is hard to imagine the beautiful shapes waiting inside. As we go down, the path brings us closer to the canyon entrance. This land is part of Navajo Nation. The Navajo people call themselves Din. In their language, Din means the people. The Navajo Nation is a large indigenous nation in the southwest of the United States. Its land reaches across Arizona, New Mexico, and Utah. This land is not only beautiful, it is also home, history, and culture for many Navajo families. For the Navajo people, the land, the rocks, the sky, and nature are very important. That is why we should visit with respect. In a few moments, we will enter the canyon. Now we are entering the waves area of Antelope Canyon. Look at these rock walls. They are smooth, curved, and full of beautiful lines. The rocks look like ocean waves frozen in time. Some parts look like flowing water. Other parts look like soft cloth moving in the wind. These shapes were made slowly by nature over many years. Water, sand, wind, and time helped create this amazing canyon. The light from above makes every wall look different. As we walk deeper inside, the canyon becomes more narrow. Look up at the small opening in the sky. Every corner gives us a new view. They show how water moved through this canyon many years ago. Sometimes the path is wide enough for many people. Then, a few steps later, it becomes very narrow again. The bright orange and golden colors look warm and beautiful. In darker places, the canyon feels calm and mysterious. Please enjoy this moment. Now we are leaving the waves area and walking toward Antelope X. The canyon changes as we move forward. The path is wider in some places and narrow in others. This canyon was not made in one day. It took many years. Wind helped shape some parts of the rock. Sand moved through the canyon and made the walls smoother. Our guide is showing us how these rocks where formed sand moved through the canyon and made the walls smoother. Water also played a very important part. You can see different layers in the rocks. Each layer tells part of the story of this land. It is amazing to see how it was created, something so beautiful with simple things: rock, water, sand, wind, and time. As we continue walking, look closely at the walls. Every shape is different. Every part of the canyon has its own color and texture. Now we continue walking toward Antelope X. This canyon has a special name because from above, parts of the canyon formed the shape of the letter X. These paths crossed and created this X shape. Now we are entering Antelope X. This part of the canyon feels very special. The walls are tall, narrow, and full of soft curves. The light comes in from above and creates beautiful shadows. Take a moment to look around. Look at the colors. Look at the lines in the rocks. And look up at the sky above us. Thank you for walking with me through Antelope Canyon. I hope you enjoy this beautiful place as much as I do. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video in another destination around the world.